And oh, Akusia, what did my kind?
No, my own kind.
What did my kind? Because I don't part me Tiffy and I'm sure no man and I'm and then me be a fun home. Me be a fun home.
Oh, Baba, me want first how di be. Situation. Kakra seja. Me do anam wachi.
Ma de mo na mo te dressing on de.
Oh.
When I'm timid to so.
I'm
friend. Ya so. Hey, mo jam home na. Okay. Now, any mom to say na otwi.
Oh, jana dum. You could cream tough.
Ya there what they say.
Kakra odi etwa.
Ya there yankopa say. No na boy die. Apa ho sema edu nan die. Ye enche ye beko na suahunu wo de abrayen. Minim say enen so eye bibi fofora wo de emaye. Ndi akosia. Over to you.
Say the enije semu aba.
Okay.
Say enije semu ntensere. Na mane ehunu ni nyine.
Wa hu ne say. Hey, kesi na ye
de enije semu nko a.
Wow.
Ene ne mede nam.
Wow.
Enti ne baba hwe ne de no. Men se bre.
Mate. Akosia enko.
Medase. Ebuson for me de akosia ejewa akode boaten. Seneda ne de nyina munimo no. Ene nso biam ya sanso atena se. Na ye ba ya se beji. Ye nyame nko ani ni.
Na menim.
Hwedi amponko ani ni ya brabo aye boyi. Baby ebetumi akwa wedi amayen. Na ene gisamo nko a. When you say free bra enwuma isase no. Awewosam na matia. Na so na de ne de epedam sunko. Sese ntensere wono ankasa. Abraba no se wo pepema konanimu akwa hwe papa no. Nyame ya dom. Wakwa ko hu papa Kofi be ye dai. Na ene no ye baba hwe ni Kofi. Enkita hodie ni bekọ sei. Abraba no ba ko wie sei. Sebewi enhye ne de na sei. Enti akoda ne ko hu papa. Ema nkomodidie mu no afedie na anigi adane wosu. Kofi be ye de su bebre sanse mfinhye aduasa ne akire ni a. Otu batase okope bibi di aba. Amefie nso onmo sa akoma no no. Okoya papa mebiem. Enti die koba ya ne se odi akoda no ko chiame hene ho. Ekokire se hoho no a waba brahaba bumukuro no. Emu no a wonma peno a ahwehwe na kira kwan ba bia wo firi ni ade no. Se wonya hoho. Eyo no ankasa Kofi be ye de na sene mu ba. En waba brahaba bume. Enti wo ka ye no. Eya cheme hene de. Ema ono so kwose. Na na sechi ya wono. Eyo hene wo brahaba bume. Esene se afedi asem da pi. Abrante kwa no a oba kurom ho no. Wo mo hunu papa. Ya wo papa ene Kofi be ye dai. Enti wo mane je papa. Ema Kofi ye ne se. Ebra wo ba Abraham mu kurom mu no. Ene nyame anya na boro. Obomodi bia. Esi adan mienu. Enti obesere se sani de bantan sere ba kurom ho a won mo je ne fel so. Ya chiame hene ne tie no. Se wo hu ne bade a ene ensa dansa yem. Obepese nkode na ade be Kofi. Na woni akoda na kotena. Enti wo kan na chese eye ne gisem. Enti nana pene so. Ema wo mo da na ntensere de ne ma. Kofi be ye de ya. Oni no Kofi. Na abusia edano die. Ese woni ense e ka kira na dwono. Omudi abrabo mu nkoma. Ema chese akoda ne kan free bra wo free fie. De no maame aye, de na abusia aye. Ema Kofi hunu. De okoye nyina asie wo nachi. nti wono so de hode ye bo no e kire se bo papa wonye kohwini saa nyame adon so tu bata no sika ba ne nsem na so nam se nipa bi wo hono mo a wo ye ya na ye wono mo yanti nipa bi no mo saa ahyase wo wo na se e be fa no hono yoma nyina ama ne kofi asa wiwie ne sa mo akoni edu na nyame adom ne sika no ena ode asi adan mienu a wono mo te ba akumi enti wo besere se mane bani mu ne se bia wo ye kohwini ti akura ne te na se ema wo ye se wono de botaye nti e wode ba brahaba bumi no aye se oba be hu papa no san so de nako enti ne wo be hu no de a wono nya mboaboa no musan kofi ayere so abosom nsia chi e wo so mu firi brahaba bumi papa ne pene so ema wono tena ase eyeye bibia kakran afia abosom miensa betwam ana ntensere yese ewia simsa wonko a wotete aduane adie no wa wotete adie ne ye soronko asense obi betete de ahye wonum ne sare nti no wore koto papa anim esere senka wonko pafuo bi nye sanse kuro ne mu aduane ba ko a wo pedie pa e konkonte enu firi ho ana ba yeraba enti papa no ti asem na ye ne de ema won mutu ana mo kwa chiame hene ho ema wo ma won masase a o mo ye banchifuo kakraka afi ko wi akire no na bijan fo kora ba won mo ho ebepe konkonte akoda ne ni suade hunu no afi yanso ho a akoda ne yese wo mo fansa enso nka ho na enam se no papa no watwa waye nsa painti no na wonim nani so tiano so mo sa akosira chiame hene saa ema fufu bia no wo no omkonya amanu nsia wo mu a wonu hye saa na mo na se wo mu tu afen kakra abusumi nsia ne betwam na ntensere da so te ho abrabona ye ne de eye se bewie nyame nko a ne nim na mebise o se akoda yi oso obefo papa enna kofie ena afedi abraboma be ne de yi a won mo ya befuo eye banchifuo yi omu betumi akoni se bewie nwoma no ebusuamu ode pa na ne nyina nko wie no yemfa sedama betamot ya no de papa ya wonya bia wawie enadwo awie yesi enwunu no ekoto wonya betamot na de gubua bre ne nyina to betwa wonya pa bi kan okra de na ba bia wudi amawo adro fo mu hia bi mesin fo mu hia bi betamot de enye na ewo soto ahoduom ko supermarket awon sabeka bi kotu na tufom na so koton na nye sika bucho efafiri so abusuade amo pepe no ena ese mu nsa kan ya hyehyɛ sonko yɛsɛ sompa de da bia yɛde nsia kantam se yɛbɛ sompa nti ade bia wɔn bɛba pono so bia no yɛgitum ne ayɛde amamo na efiri nyame yɛ adomo a bosumi eba besim de to so miensa de koro no eya dwumadi a yato ne din se healing point yes sa dwumadi no e de afiri anopa no nkono e de akọ awia donko akosi no mienu 1 pm to 2 pm nyame yadoma 3rd September de koro bia healing point e beba 1 pm to 2 pm ebiem the final lap here no eye weekend sports no eno so ye danim e de akwa no pa no nkono akosi dumienu 9 a.m. to 12 noon enti hyene nso ne duru ho no mu a watie bi ama ho asepɛw sebewie nyame nko a enenim to sebewie no
say we are say nipa yi ya no ni ire fini nchi o we are say ade de say no say wa be hu ne se enti so ma kom tamabo ni areho no akogu
free ho no
enti say de o sha brabo fo frase
say bosumi nsia no mo hye no etwa makora na so te ho
ayeka o
be yere se bibi no
okay awuziafo ene eye ye nipa baako awoda
papa
ni din ade Felicia Obeng
yes
we see chani fantastic
mucha papa na hwene kon
papa
kama we wo wane baba sa
unim se nyame so ade obey Saturday no wo yo
wow
ana the birthday sign ne
wow anyway de bosumi we de enhira nko a
utim se abu no so eti oba fili teacher o papa Jackson Bentum
wow
wani Bentum 5
ne baba kuni o
ne baba nice one na wani wunuanum nyina ne titi crew na e was set no so no e ba ne set no so no so mo wish you happy birthday wan kasa opiesie CK one o mame omo se omo wish you and Master A o US the international man
flee there ni e ko wiamo ase
no na mi hurun kakra no
se ne o pampers to se o se ebo abosika
ano ni asem
no to pampers
obi a wo Saturday ya ni na ne your birthday
na nyame ehia
na wa frɛ me birthday gift no way
yeah
na you know kakra David
what down kantem
okay akuya nyankopon hyira wo
amen
obia obia se men kan tro se oda wasiti true usim stress nipa opamo nema
nanimu so ti
o pankrono market hwa no pankrono station o say o we show happy birthday akosi aso papa no ho no
nanimu ye memenini
ojina so
papa wo be mem
mo zoom line
Whoa.
Lovely.
Whoa.
Forget ka ho.
Judge whoa.
What bo be medin?
Judge whoa.
Madam, we are top here water one crate man why? But here.
Ayaka.
I never irifia. This one be 2 meter.
Na pure water one crate there. I was amene ya
Until I just say it more no. Me am invention. So won't be as another problem. You should like to la petit tom round.
Kai. Beira.
I was ya.
Toffee.
Me di kan jaw.
Any pure time there was open.
I was ya me di kan jaw. Any interview no now ye. Okay, I was ya for me sense mo akwaba e de badwumadi a wato ne din na menim so. Wei e ya brabo mu adesua. Na enokure ni nipa bi wo ho a wahu no wate ne din, wate ne nkomo. Ebi kura wo ho a wate ne interview bi wo baabi. But wonim say na menim so de ye bowura baabia ana de obi kura nsusu se obeka no na menim so na oka na akosia ade ba ko a me pese wo ha me bom nua aba so ne se adwuma we no ho se wo ye na wo nua no mpanyimfo a o ma ye adwuma no ache na onni kumase onti kumase but wonya brese obe follow sompa na titiru na menim na when you bon komo show into no free cry about
wow
I'm telling you
wow
yes no free cry ton was it David Toffee and then SSA you didn't come
we need to play talk okay yes. Fear my cabrofo
you know you know and then there's
my go chance go pension if you check kwa
yo
o jani
eti abusafo ene no ebia na niam ntimi hyadan koyie sa ma wo wo de tie na show yi wani baji keke na ene gi sam ne se oye sinitwafo waye adwuma na che on se sinitwa no emu be che mienu enkrafo no wo ho ena kuma woodfo no so e wo ho ebinim wo ho a om ka brofo wo ho ebinim so eka twi wo ha ye krom de no
ebinim so bon
remix ha nti no on de wo ha e wo ha na oye Tadi boy.
The place to be.
Yes, the Tadi boy.
Kofi Kenat.
Yes. Eti anyway, if I say Rocky say Rocky Timinka. And then I was say Kofi Kenat so ha.
But I saw her.
What I say also Kofi Kenat no so ha ne. Because yeah. Eti I was here for answer na you free me so I dey you free me so etu fueti and answer na many minua judge wo be hye nkomo na se no esu be tom from medican eti yima se wo ma me kwan kakra bi a be da me ho kakra bi aba na aja YouTube for adaroma any Facebook for adaroma na majiminu atata ansana ene show no ye de ahihye so ba cho metumi akọ okay it has pi yenko e
Makamasa machire nupo minyo bia onte pasemi kami yelo lima mushisho bi obi mabamunyu machire nupo minyo bia onte adubu wilanya wanka nami nyawanka
adubu what maso yeah.
Okuyanda susili yengu wasro ana kume musu we make DJ adan mosu we steady midama susili wongu jadi wandu amiti wandu anadide sema ya dida na wane wancheche na wale kanchi nyamadugu yado nasuni na enjumu ambe se fide sufu we fide bubu makofi mulu cruise na metra savena irade nyawa waya ya mantasi nyawanka awushade nyawa shohinu bakwe nyawanka
bra Facebook na be hade
adumu wila nyawanka irade nyawanka Tama bombaya bobi makofiate mama bobi mamo antama bombaya bobi makofiate mama walai mamenye uwae wa mama kani na chira wa wala mamenye uwae wa mama kani na chira wa wala senye bino
nyasam gijo
hey what's up ka people kasa dan asam ninti
na me no teach na say edi asa wo bon se mama me
o ya short obo ana o renti odumo na sawa ma
masa emejeje wa no
nkofo keka
na mangu ani mu asa
ye bobo stage no sase be ayi makebram na program e be bia
yes
sanapa problem menyin bo hwehwem
masa
yenya na bobo ya no
masa
tofe
udi agro me no be be stage
oh san one man na
yima tie abusiafo me pesa wo ba Facebook akosia ye wi a wo na abajeje akosia uretie masa Rocky be mama die
hit wom
be mama die hit wom akosia for say wan kasa kro ba bia wono hunu masada
se napala
ana wono no opese o kire se o free tadi
the place to be
aba opese obe challenge me masa pede ano o hikakra mame na mini ni mienu ntinyina
ya hwehwem
abuja for we betima ba Facebook nko a tiye we betima ba Facebook nko a na betimi ahwe sadia na ni abre no ho pese obe challenge me ujimi di ho
sir
masa fans ni so ade ma me no so won hwe no manim ko gu ase a metimi am wanya asem ati abuja for wo de bra Facebook aya sompa 93.1 FM sompa 93.1 FM wa wutie radio ni de obete voice obete nyom no but the omo Facebook no ana ebehunu asa no ankasa no ti se no mi gina santima nyina na mu awozia mi gina santima nyina na mu
moso me dey infantifo
nyina na mu so na ya hwe sede ade no sitie akosi enti na muma mora no noso
mpacho wi won fa pia water so awa boy na no awa boy na no
oza akosi ase ye ko ba bia on say ye mfa ne say ye ko bobo ba bia aya home no on say aya na fans no
oh yes
enu timi mamora
oluma ya tawachi
Raji. Adena we nipa betimi awu.
Oluma say
wan you am the France besa mawie na ade na ntimi
oluma obi oni minu bia nim say asade e ya de
masa
asade
oh yeah amon police na yo ha
amon did you akọ
on Facebook wa on Facebook the way amanfo si abegu ho no ho
o to fi obi apeso ohwe wasa
da bi baba ye ma judge wo e ma ji champion fanko
yima no me ba ade am pese yima ye ni say o camera no on setting different
no setting so
different
Debbie
o ma me de na ni na ho
Debbie judge me artist ni di
masa
me papa di
musu what's artist
me artist no me na me producer
awia for and Monday so ba bia na de na minim nam no different kra eti abusia for say de ade na duru no
me hit the report
yes
that's right
yima abuja for mpesa mo ba Facebook wo me pe number bi on ba na metimi because me ana me niam bi pe
nhwe
usi open hwe
ya no na akosi ya no na waka no so ho aha eti tadi fuei tadi fuei aha mo town wo de mo mra Facebook na wo de mo send messages no mo send sa na yanhwe nia na me so say me say no me gina santima nyina na mu
say judge wo
lovely
yes judge wo
what boy be me din what
that's right
ati ima amon formula Facebook wo so ho na akosia
tofe
ya bashase
tofin kwa wo fo
e man ha me tawachi be dem pai bo tawachi
tofin kwa bi menyum
akosia
oh tough
judge me tawachi what
ebe 2 in 1
that's right
akosia
swa ho akoko amon prensa
that's my ina dia awi akosia for we ya for na me nim na ya me nua judge wo
lovely ma me
judge wo
ai ni nyina
ana ne wa besra me
agba no te
na ena no oba ere na wasan be ye bibi na I say jija mi bi ni style bi
mo boafu
akosia for say uni Facebook or phone so a
why ho
obi a otwam se brampa che o Facebook a wo de sompa 93.1 FM
oluma Facebook wo no amafo na be gu asem ba ko fe no moka
o mo so sa
agroneform ene agroneform
no so mo kire say okay abuja for ye be ko stage ni so ho na platform no ne no ye serious
aye show
ma hu say me boss kra ba ho so hu na kire say na me shawa di monyam
aba say
ma hu say o ma hire aba I'm not there hini so tamachi na mami mora na Jeff woni atapoku mo nyama manwinia akoja so na eje.
Oh yes.
Okay.
Mbocho.
Masa idea na adan.
To be Facebook for ko agina wachi.
Sa.
Okay.
Mora no e was so.
Okay. Any yankwa. Awuziafo.
Ya come na mo anuma no mu ya hyew.
Okay.
Na fa mo no to.
Awuziafo. Agro ne for ya beko. Wake up, don't walk, you don't try. You supposed to be jai. Kilo come, person, person we don't mind. Boy, when I land softly on the sofa floor. Sofa so good, let me see you. Go lo, let me see you. Go lo. Ambulance mra na nipa betimatu ahwe oh
lovely so brother
after what Jimmy atu
edu bebi na nka oye action obi asa obi abinim na asa de na wuzu wow any ma marathon okay into a stage just imagine my bro
I wish for you. Yeah,
one more on Facebook or my own. Hey, Toffee pa, hey, say Toffee or sa, another man.
I was your
chairman.
Oh,
me too.
Yeah, sure. Now Facebook crowd for you now.
I was your move ambulance in Seattle. Yeah, we are showing a bit of G. I'm telling you. I don't want to say.
I bet you was a very query, John Jr. I said, tough, please, don't break your leg.
New moves. Miami, well, what cash him point out about the clear and was
whoa,
why go be movie?
I was a higher number when never Jwada, so I didn't tell. Edu baby ni amfa bi anya se dia akosi ado hokora be ku
wo bi the message bia wo se message amupoku ene numre ya onye nsohie onu an eje wo fa miamia na se ne wo si bia sare de ene wo wode wadwane wode watumri ka ma tira faga to
awjafo show ni apon
ya puno ye menga sai
because me hwehwe se ne metima interview bra me yare me yare me so kram yare yo yeah then ma go jima ni
what friends abaka
oh je e wi ase ya kan food bi aforo na ma chacha na epo and I say Yimani ni cruise sugu MC aho.
Me nka so mo.
Ana omo ma fans ba ha. Na mo abra ma bre no. Yavo.
Oh, so I in fact I like the house.
Old man, but what impressed me?
Oh, I had it.
Oh, serious.
Oh, let me say na asem nti. De bia baba na adwen to me hwe ndi na me say papa.
Obre.
Ça prend la bre.
Awuzi avo. Na ya wonsam pi ni nkomo pi edi. Senior tadi ti say.
Oh, bibi abako, takra de bako.
Ahoboko.
Ewe, eja, yehu adom. Okay. Umpa bono no krenti, bibi ayi okay.
Ya da rade ase.
Yes, let me tell it's here for say.
Okay.
I am from the town of beautiful nonsense. The people they miss English with chi and not fancy.
Okay.
Into fancy by more because Charlie, I like the fancy.
Unim say.
Where the now?
Unim say kasa ye me de wi ase pa yam fancy.
I will get eh.
Me nya me sua. Dimini I just watch me.
Oh, macho.
Me dank.
I say I will get eh. Wale bomb me some boy can say what?
Wow.
Na some no wadan nechi.
Wadan nechi.
No.
Okay. Senior, unchi pa menim say ya bota di tadi e bi kura na nya ho na ofri.
Right.
Unchi pa ye hin. Your parents won unuanom sen ansana ya base de abrabo no hyase.
Okay. Odi kan me do biase me de otwerampo nyankopon ase then there so 29th wa baka hen because in fact me hyase from last 3 months maba and the maba nti mo wo me bia mo hwei me do asantefo so me do biase.
Okay.
Odi kan we from Andrews Kofidiodu.
Andrews.
Yes, Andrews Kofidiodu. But of course TV didn't see Jejo on Mabado. Man, I was born and bred and toasted in Cape Coast.
Wow.
Oh, Cape Coast. Now, 9 years. Now, 8 years, you know. Man, na papa nyu.
Okay.
Me papa lead you do. Na maka samacho. That's my father. Akwa. That's my father.
No.
If it's fantastic.
Father ne mu de hin ebia.
My papa oh. Lead you do.
Na semu ba no.
Yes. Most of the media people they know. My papa oh fantastic is here.
Unim way back.
Right.
Me kai say na me wo Angel FM.
Right.
Na event biara me na me kai say me hwe so.
Right.
Angel nya 5 years.
High life, yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Ye fa ono Adman kunya me che. The late 9924.
Yeah.
The late Papa Yansin
baby.
Ana o father.
Yeah.
Ha.
Oh, believe
na
yeah.
o so
Mike man.
O so microphone pa no. Masa. Me say be say one.
No mre. The late and one you say high life without Lidiodo is not high life. Then you motivate to need. Sometimes when a live band has sing.
I come ni chire mu. O say asem we anya na me nim so a.
Exactly. Into the program here then.
Na me nim.
Voilà, magnifico to la bella.
Wow. Hey. Abujafo ye enjoy nyumwe. O mama feel it. Hey. Abujafo tie nyumwe.
Amamu wa akukọ na ma treatment but mekan fanta.
Okay.
Nyame nko na de nyame ankwa no ma akukọ bemtwa ba ko so ade be ye nsedo ajemenu akwa Abujafo ye enjoy nyumwe. In fact program here 2 times so. Because time no you want some kapa among some America. Wow! Hey, but you mkotoku.
Okay, I was here for yeah. Na ya pesa anyum na nkasa na yabo. Na
Mama to adna sisi me a host.
Okay.
How you host? Na me here.
That's how you co-host.
Missy, edwani ayama. Abetna aya no wie fimpo there. Somebody's interviewing you end up interviewing the person.
Was serious so?
Hey. Nti mama me woman in fact mama me nam papa tam wo hye nam papa o pole takrade pole.
Okay.
Na mama me so o SSS yen kan nti wole nyi wo hye no na me be And you know how African mothers can be, fathers. I mean, fancy. In a mobile school, so my father had to run to Kumasi until what Jim Sham, what Takrade. Time I have from Moko School, Young Christian Preparatory School, Takrade, Moko at the saddle. Before I decided, Moko, Wisconsin, Namoko, a Belgrade Agriculture State Academy, Russia. That's where I did my master's.
Wow. Whoa. Judge, whoa. Yes, I mean, you know. Hey, area so. What's that? You're not the so as some women. Yeah.
On yet show down there. Ain't for Nebeka. And your baby, I catch it. No, me.
Maza, you're not near home. I knew me. Whoa.
Lovely.
Judge, whoa.
In fact, I'm enjoying the program myself. I'm just imagining the people outside there.
Wow. I'm
also overwhelmed, man.
Oh, Papa.
Right, your name is Akosua, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's right, man. That's what everybody says, though.
Another video.
Papa.
Tofia Kofabo.
I was way some drive.
Right.
Now drive time I don't know BAT.
No, that is what everybody here is listening. Yeah.
Whoa.
Now one spot in the power, remember though. Yankasa.
Sir.
Hey. Ready Yankopon.
What feeling?
Madondo.
Wow. Oh, younger. Papa no mommy shia.
Right.
Ebia school time. Crash at Anya Hobo.
Oh, they be no we didn't wonder on the damn time I won't have pa. Yeah. Can the man not? But she moved through. Strongest in Bibia.
Sir.
I tell you.
Yeah. Whoa.
Lovely.
Yeah, whoa. Ediara said okay, obi ho bia. Ne ma me nom de na ba school. Oyo ba. Ira wunyini ye no beti abakosem kakra.
Right.
Oni popi kasa, oni momi kasa. Net saying na easy ma omo bra wo bie ko school na bibi saba.
Oh, gone with the days. Don't say even in the olden days.
Yeah.
Obia ni ba ko school or any just or
like
you know that's the reason why on nenko school.
Okay.
Na enyim na ekafaba they wouldn't like you until that computer age assistant. I mean when you do what normal. So it wasn't easy. I mean they were not working when you well how would they then can also
be a show.
Grandmothers don't like their daughter and their kids more than the father.
Yes.
Because papa no ko for because I'm show school. But mama no abadai onyumba from one for the pempa now I show. So I grew up staying with my grandmother.
Okay.
You know, Chakrade, Cape Coast. Na Chakrade no mama fi abrochi be no so obandam no onye Zimbabwean say no wife the late Mugabe. Ofi no fi Chakrade. So my mommy was serving them. Yeah. No, in a house girl. So you need to quite. Until I'm work Cape Coast. Until mommy fear quantity be number from Batakrade. I want to menu boy. More Cape Coast and can me a puffy.
Judge, whoa. I also quite your master's way.
Russia.
Wow.
Yeah. 5 years. Into cousin. Yeah.
What to Russia, pa?
Привет, это нормально, это хорошо. Я хочу купить билет в Москве, да? Спасибо, извините, я не знаю, ты знаешь.
Wow.
Это хорошо? Voilà, magnifique.
And I want company.
Hey.
Russia.
Difference is 0.
Okay.
Now, when you go to minus 17 and now minus 20, just imagine.
Minus 20?
Yes. Minus 20, yes. Christmas, one what the Christmas in your classroom because one curriculum. 1st January, you're on holiday.
Okay. So
25th, 21st, I bet sit up 25th, and your classroom.
Wow.
And when you at it up. First time, Muka Brutu for Muko school and my birthday is on the 22nd September.
Okay.
Now, Mudu Moko on the 10th.
And I will show in advance.
But that's all. Time knows why I will be board. Now, Mudu and a brunny China and you be a bram flower. Na flower me dey then na mo do ko to mpa no mo befu na mam bibin that flower me colleagues in beto no say do you have this flower from who? I say hey no from my pewasem I want to moon the flowers
flower yeah go outside that e o mai pa
the maso na ja nya aketese bi kase na work out go turn kebab na o tie ni sika o so tie o de obi atie ne de enya aboyo no aka cho de tie ne nko
eze mu bi obi anton
de
and I said, I'm going to be a conifie.
No more this, yeah, above a pempalo, tomb the witches. I answer, or I don't. So then that's whatever. When you cry, when you room cramp, would be ba, ye had your name, the boom, or being ginger binty, because they wouldn't be a subject about you.
Okay.
Ghana, no, you know, that
I will have for time in tea and common. I say, Yeri two council manning how, or what you mean, and you didn't come up
interview, a casa,
didn't go. After so we school, to a certain Juana and now Baba.
Oh, the Miriam America. But before then, menim where the interview is coming from, but we are not America because the international student, you can travel everywhere you want to go.
Okay.
The man, me popular Germany, Berlin.
Yeah.
Say moko.
Okay.
And kasa de me kasa.
Wow.
The French, Italian, and Spanish parliament.
Okay.
Me kasa by 5 because of.
Ndi na che say that okay no, unyo obi a share that ni popi tonight.
Debi. So ugwane. But meaning na.
Was ugwan. Yes ugwane. So why kasa ko fa ba.
Trawen. That mo kuma tina mo du gwana me se me pianyo. Anyo ya bede. Anyo. Mo pianyo. Ti me chere so jene. We ka say die. The man not.
Auntie Jene ano no yamfante.
No. Anyo ya fanti jene ye asante.
Okay.
Nti me kwota ade. Me duru am so mama anyo 2 cedi. O za amade anyo. Na me so jene. O say ka say ni esre.
Wow. Oh, Ghana de modo.
Ghana.
Ti yanhwa me free say that okay popi anye mommy.
Right.
Wa pe ba bi afa. When I said that kind of bakosem kire wo because I read down say ye ha aye wo no. Edru ba bi na ebia e ma no timi fa kwa bi polutu nkwada na dwen. Na ebi kura obehu ne papa be ye ne tamfo ana ebi a ompe kura so obeka ne ho akọ ne papa abusua mu ana ompe kura so obi betese me papa ni ha eti yenhwe wona na atew e na otetew nti ebrebe na wo hyase etew papa ho asem.
Oh, that was after common entrance. You first say Jesus. That was when I met Tenenka.
Okay.
Because the grandfather no oma enyene oti nidin pa na nubuefu. Oh yes. Oti nubu I say eh na ba mo titin mo akosu mu twa school fees. Na ye nedam. Oh, ochi na nkobotwe niti. Nti papa had to run. Nti obo Kumasi na ne ante nkwa Abuja. Anyu kwa London. And no a taxi driver.
Oh father.
Yeah.
Our London. Na sabe no otonyum. Sabe. No. Tego sisters once first nyuma wotwe. Ono ye engineering. Obo guitar, all the instrument. Wow. Yes. Oh, sister mama Ghana mobo. Instrument in the my father be so sister obo be guitar. No so lidio cause live man all chrome he is part of those who wanna obo guitar. Or popi ba. No, ninia ba. No, ninia nkasa okay. Akwesi diodu. Okay. Yeah. Kwesi Santasi. Yeah. No, for papa ni. Ono banza baba. Enti na chese hon na papa de shame. No do odwane. Because now papa ninya me na no catch him. Na so una nya no a obetinity. Ko botwanity. And there was a fight. It wasn't a fight, but fantasy no nya shanty for no na. Until then them asesa they were not compatible. Okay. Yes, they were. Fantin bia podo tete ba mo fantin. Na santin na show be ofiba. Schedule beden into pe bia nka oben no. Okay. Adam say no crack obi no mbu be say ukrom pete di na maybe. Nine at least otewa. Okay. Enya. Intina say wo papa nka say dwane. Oh yeah, because of say yes. Wo na nya na. On fa ho nchen. Wa nyem ne baba. Bam. Samo ba. Enne. Wow. Enti sabre no o ma mi wie school na nsa na onya kwan ma in the course of the school no mu. Nto abandama but ma me na nwie den nto wie no tiodo because me nana gym. Okay. And me ya for up to 9 na mu de me nwie gbe. Nti okra no won hye da nim sabe na won hye da hu so o ma me ni. De na ma me mpo no nyu ho na wetu kwan. Nti me nana na me yintre. But the catcher na ma me wo na ehu blood is thicker than water. Yes. When you see the person you are, the telepathy is there. Into obe na obe catcher na benyi. Oje na musa. No chance to lusu. That's na benyi wa. Into me time tire. Oh man go jin. Menyinia. Oh. Into mother side no. But mother side father side because echi wo be pe won to the sense eh. Na ma me hu be se benyinda. Okay. Into papa kwa no. Asat before no or chan on can no one say that no first in the world we already can break you no or no ni power ni dinosaur exactly inti mama kede na amachi ya for cassette dada mo wa ha eda obi baba no say mo frama me pe coat na odo botai no wo de yeyi ansama ohia na eka na no so reply oh mo baba ko me nimu oh me hu picture bad me nimu
to me bomb pass me I'm London. Obi any more London because London say taxi driver popular.
Okay.
No, or son engineer to them coffee.
Yeah.
Baba before. Na you na more takrade enyim lo kwan.
Aye.
Obi fi abrochi be this come on culture bicycle. Them first bicycle no ko bofum. Na menya dey so pa.
No one near day.
Na menya dey so.
Yes, that's a one year anya na what for be tua for so.
Well, the bicycle ko bofum. Anya but when I started growing like after GSS and a common interest no, I need to bring them together. I need to bring them together because I mean then now papa na Adam Mamuria ho in there say was secondary school. Na sankofo ba sira won kofa. My mom is a custom officer or retirement.
Okay.
Yes, inti orba na nkoti na orba otum so
oh,
because
na feel papa or kind of,
but also the way I'm alone all the time at school.
Oh,
maybe fear mankoti na bunde bi susu onye ni nua no worutwam na in fact it got to a point na me aho nti me kada mawo pa
sa
what mo watch nyame nyunyam
nti 90 say what the mommy ni popi die ni nyina be shem
den huni
oh sa me nua na nti
kra me de biato
yeah I call I was have one your videos we also I be show the actual na judge wo on say nti unia yenhwe unamu ano ahim papa na wo share that transfer me ye adwuma
takrade na me fi takrade na me train.
Wow.
And my first movie was in takrade.
First movie
Yeah. On kwampo na ye susa. Oh, movie problem with the past is there, it's on YouTube.
Okay.
Na me yakiti to them at Don Dumelo na yakiti.
Okay.
You know. So then they came to shoot a movie in Takrade.
Okay.
Then time now a familiar production.
Familiar production.
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, that time na extra TV na kekos movie fi. You did OD. My me dokuna chira make yewe.
Akwayira.
Yeah, kwaye.
Aden.
Nse then time so mo basenia. I so mo ye promotion, mo nenam na mo gigi nchia.
Yeah.
Na nkola de o mo chi ye betwa sene, wo mo ba sene.
Okay.
Like live performance.
Okay.
Nti when you have passion for them, when you see them on TV, then when you want to watch Obra Nasa can drama, Ingwari and Shibi.
Nepa Komatiko. Ha! And nature say Obia fie. Me kapa unim. Radeboyo. Akwabi pa ni ekoni fie pa that time kokuhwebi. Akwa hu ye de hinkura. I'm sorry to say this was a water.
Oh no, damn! My family are winning na ya. Sabi, ubutu wunyina. No,
what's some make an serious. What you show when you must say, where you from?
Into
Pie.
Oh, Miss Man, one call. Into the time, no, on the way Gangalia. And no, a sumana, call, because Sunday, about the Obra Nubia, oh, right. And yes,
I was for aha na minim sompa 93.1 FM channel so Taiwan media daroma otisi bono region say ya 98.9 FM me wa ha no menua ABY so dia hyem e wo hodin nti ye the team re dia enya asem ketwa
solid
menua judge owo na na me na twetwe nkomo
e no ade judge dey
wo
me da so me ka say so owo
na sen SEO ana
ye kosrem ye koyi
ana so nka who say sanka yo wan ka ye you
wo
aha
anya my life in dream
yeah
mo kosrem oh na me se da bi nya oh na one L na me so ante da mo
yeah guess na ye who eti mama do konom ne odi no ba ho no
hey watch
and what you do akomatiko
oh gone with the days you do natural you do natural na ya ye ye ba na wa hwe na aka ho
oh
well you have passion for it
yeah
there's
a also nyina no na wo passion for
I mean
acting
obi a onimi course school bi ehum sisi ase onwa na on stage a enye no hu
sir
oh I decided 93
okay
I mean entertainment na mfa oh myself I mean I've not changed.
Yes.
Mama time to obi hu what say the man.
Enye no. On say obi a da bia me asem ma me nka ne yie. Enne na ye ne abrofo aka bomu a yɛaduane di asesa
asa wa say nya
na nka mɛka kyerɛ sɛ obi a ɔtɔnwom oyi movie obi a ɔntita amanfo nipa korɔ ɛdin sɛ obɛwu ntɛm
oh yeah
ana me nua de meke
nine asem na ka nine
ɛnɛ na nneɛma asesa
oh yeah nneɛma asesa
because enka wohwɛ mu ate sɛ nananom ampadunum ne nasefo ne ayi yɛnyini kɔ no yɛaduane die na ɛsesa na ɛde yade abrɛ ɛnyɛ saa good eti sɛde na wo kan no na kyɛ sɛ wankasa no wo school nyinaa no na entertainment no wɔ mu
yes no nti na entertainment prophet man I mean we yin pa ko no entertainment I mean assistant
sa
anya ta ko school si abokwa meeting bo
wow
and school feed you do titi ana mede awotwe sabansa na adman do na ka on your stage
na no so free
hey inside your stage you need to give yourself a name that everybody listen
would
be happy
yeah that is my bro I'm the one over Facebook wa and then you may cause no ana me pese wan kasa wanigi say said the okay no oh na dia pa ne si ya ama mommy ni popi o man san wo bi
you say they didn't meet again when she be we share no wenyinyi when she be so yen kan no we share ya they would have but na yi wa ha no say kan no so no se maami si ne bo say we na me don a adin so obema bema for chance o voilà them not on kan no bibia ye was unique
yes
nya ye botu bi
wow
oh yeah ye botu bi nti kan no na bibia everything was unique everything was there we no ni mu a na kan no so na one worry wait abepo na wait macro oye aduane weekend so for come on mami nso wa hia no de aba weekend no mechie ba ho na they were not staying together in the na worry no if you are they will look into it before they will allow you to marry the person
nti sisi a ye kasa no o papa no mami nyina on ba ne
yeah
obi ani ba bi
papa na wo mami nso ahun because na papa no twen mami onye bi obo na kakra mu but wan wo kada wo pa de o twen mami no nto wan wo
o trimi order
en ko fokeka o me ya for na me ba me nyini na okọ o na me timi am de cause me hia bia na odumam mtwa wo twa customer officer ba musician ba o na odumam na odumam pa de
na mommy be a customer officer bra minim say we de ye wo me no nkomo de but I area waka ho aba customer chro because we free ha say o kan Zimbabwe yi ona na o seven den na otimi e be a customer officer
oba Ghana no obenya edwuma wo GDC na we General Development Company we Timber Firm Watakrade nti I want to edwuma as secretary because o secretary opole
okay
nti o secretarieship no keshia akukrobi no pushing into custom no going with this there wasn't any paperwork it was minimum one call the ability to be able to do the job
yentwe ni say on say wo be ye wo nko a wutia yiye kane no wo papa wo London masa aye broni kromo enye kro biara keke UK o ana wo papa nso wo no wonye obiara keke because wo kwa abrochira said wo kan taxi drivers
hey ono nyim bro no bia
anya wasanso ye sound engineer
right
the question is utirimu anya wo da say namfo friends bia omo wa brabo bi suban bi ombema wo asiane that kind of way
it happened it went through it happened but a bad thing say akola anafanti enye won nana etia wo be besa hey na me nana
street ankasa
me nana na me say in there o me video bi a kire me koye aduane people called me they asked me say fanti me yeda me ye me nana before be fi school abano sa Sunday a me nu say ma bobo me ntaya ye fia che bibi o ko akofa ko hyenhum na me be fia me sika won wo say me kwaji do aduane unya do ase yeah fifi am say jama we fi ye me say we fi ye ntaya na ye fi no me na gu on ma de hyenhum kosi e ba ji usika ko to aduane
ansa na wa beje you have to
na so unsu so unye de yon just wo be so it fairly suit
okay
me ye bone a e wona nkaso wo da mache wo betrons ya no the king so na me bi so azam anta ko so fi me kasa me ko me boa tell say me boa 6 wo twa nka ho
okay
so the discipline was there
wow
so there wasn't any miti manyam de
okay
miti manyam de when I went to Adisada that was where I realized masa obi kotompo ball counter 5 cedis obi so turn it 2 cedis yenya yenya yekobi that is where you could see the difference between nkofo but me team pa de wanyam de
okay
ye wo masqueraders e bi water crowd me akola na menu agye no pa te me nyame kobi but me nana obeka chese je street na hwe wo twom wi akɔhye fi nti
ni o machimpo
because no mpa se me be bibia ma me baba abaka se
1
exactly
what you say
exactly
what you say
wehu oya me yoda when try end this can
be
nyimpa papa nje wi ase
ne asem no ya
me say me baba this me ko discipline me twi adwaye me ye bibia nti I had encounter with saying with some ladies one baba na my bibia say did you do what yes I did it because me ntwan man be yam adam nyim sia na wa shirt
wa shirt de onim si usi abesene ne kon no I was your young ko the first video bimra me be say ko the first video na ye ba sa video no maybe sa no ho asem yeah area so Yami okaso obeye obibia obra ho ase obeye o yenko na yima mama me first video wow
Abi to champion oh wait abu jinsa what you say jinsa furo no papa what you say what picture
boss yes with the papa oba yesu baby
oh boy
I picked up a lady
oh boy
yabutre
oh boy
yes it's your taste
what's the nyela do kwe
me mo the papa share na taste
oh boy let's okay there okay the corner yeah half sales
c'est pas problem
the corner yeah 1.5 sales
totina
agreed
hands up
yes sure
me nyo na me mo agba no tree but bye bye
for minya enka metwa supi hey lady we no
my name is Christy Boati
my name is Doreen.
Don't you have a local name something
from Puma.
That name Doreen sounds like a name of a pet, a dog, a cat, or a monkey. Christy Boati. By the way, you make Christy Boati. I've come to eradicate poverty from your family, make you rich and comfortable. Your stars.
As I remember, they would come when papa. Masa also be China. Where are you?
Nkwafoka.
That was in Lincoln.
Me masa no. Driver nyon se ja mo push me na no so amon kakra.
Sa.
Enyo.
As I auto gas no boss. No so chow.
No hey. Oh yeah, says no fa. Na wana in the way you baka says no fa. Nti de bia mama no bi.
Ne akọ obeku no.
Mo don't know.
When a movie ban?
If you Schwarzenegger, we started if you Schwarzenegger. If you Schwarzenegger TV series. Oh, pan can you montage on show?
Wow.
You might montage no. Yeah, if you Schwarzenegger, be if you Schwarzenegger.
Series in any?
Yes.
Na sabe no man.
You might be a train. On that. The baby I'm a fan. I drive her.
Okay. Yeah. I'm where the bus on my home. Yeah, sister near. Sister near.
I don't know.
Hey.
Miss Maba, Michelle.
Sure.
But I see. Oh, lovely.
Oh, lovely.
Master. Jimmy.
Massa. Don't know me, Kaisa. Mene ayi betra ha ne bonkobo samo nyameche miracle o ka kire pen o se eye talent eye adoma che de keke o kota de a eye gifted nyame a sheda de a chem
na Jaguars no ya na eka Jaguars wala hwa enhwe Kofi Kenata hwe Castro awo hwa asofe ambule ma mata de na ma de no ejira hwe CK man
yes
yeah
Adwa Yankee
Adwanyanke phone to yamienmo Adwanyanke phone to yamienmo
papa o wuye so yam fantini nansen
ambule
no
Ebi Kensi.
Kensi.
So fit takrade. Moses
Ndi wanya nwum bi abo Moses na abakai. Now masa ade na wo ye no metimi de watomu okro manza na wako. Enti wanya nwum bia nkai. Ebi Kensi nwum bia wanya nkai.
Anya no. Say anya na oi. Try ade papa. Hey, panya ni ya. Hey, fa bo awomba. Men fa ye man chuchu ni pa bibi ni.
Ndo waso je se me ba ivoire.
Nkofo kaka.
Wow. Wow, di unia yanhwa life no. On say edru bre bia na wate ho afri family no ho.
Right.
Brebe pa na hu say afere de me a ma hye brase. Nti e wo say me plan ma me ho.
We then me say I will be say 100 years when they pay one time and Yankopon wa shisha to. So I also realized you wouldn't know, but in life we won't say worko there could be a ringing. I mean, of course, no why man continue.
Okay.
Mommy one kada mu but there will be some there and to the banana but so I don't know say when you're educated trend na war and sana
wow. Okay.
So kada young wa ebe me sure put the 3 bin problem but my them of course na menye na konkromo but na mese mo twa na
ntina che say no crowd e won hye ni mo
oh no me ma kro na mese samoboya na wode brema nkamaje
wow di u nyini no ano na mommy kan say kire wo no e dey about
na me fi abrochi ba na ja hasu my first wife me wan krampo me nye no Santas runabout mu twom na mo komu na he otim mo ze boa me yin kasa mu za no sufi fantin
na say opede time
bam mo bam pa na tre
sa
for slim dey abobako
sa okay
nti
ten kwa des wanye ska mo na ko homa
be na no the phone o hwe wa fan so nti
Jaji wow
wa bo be medi
wow
lovely nti oh so that is when I started nti woman then I became a father and I started the year onye
and now from
you man kanya mo frama but
and also can brabo no.
Oh yes. Okay. I mean if you want when you start crawling you start walking running you start jumping then you die so it's stages.
Okay.
So whatever be the case you would go through.
Okay. Meaning say access to other countries are utimi ko Germany, utimi ko UK, when you access to US.
I'm madam for you some ko UK, me for me ko London, if you London me ko Britain, oboa.
And oboa. Na no boss say onim so jira na mu ana. O di yanja na eba wadwunu mu say sa countries we nyina no omo nhihye da na kwan mu. Na ba otrim say obeba unchi abe start life.
In fact, abrochi e baby when you get the education na Bernard be adwuma oye there. Cause Ghana oye there. Sisi and everybody airport the number of people traveling. Inti me ndam nyimdi. Inti me bisanda me de adwuma. Me ya IT. Bisanda me de adwuma.
We IT ankasa.
Hardware for eyi osaya. Mo buebuedo a motum ahyehye ma san ma ye. Me ya hardware and software.
Wow.
You know, website ya motum ye.
And I don't know why establish this business.
Me have it but I do madam obi. I do nko.
Okay.
Mass entertainment no there. Even though ups and downs can you but me dra me okay I'm put the star me padi do ase ya wo
okay
I have access to president I have access to some people you wouldn't have okay when mo kono me chere mo kotofe mo ko wasi mo chenya mo hwemachi awonye baje enya odemo so bafu
ene so hia nti da kru bi o ha na bom
me se minyiska mutum ko ran me chechi
menti azio
obo na nyiska na se wa kra do akọ minister nyimpe nyimbia akọ no wa
of course kama akọcha na keke wow onko ni sapan
bam
and yenhwe before so hu sa adoma chere we wo mu no to that life baby o ho nyankopon bia ma wo but wura mu abenya nkrofo bi e from asia kwan
right
wura movie no mu no acting no mu no wo hyehyia niam bia wo fi say putu off cross ma me pemba bi ntra
and we have the passion for it came though but one boy I enjoy one because most of the times when you come movies in as well Accra but it got to a point Kumasi Baji so we all came to Kumasi
okay
but then and when the fancy na say enyim obi a another be Kumasi na enyim obi a sabi so one fraud debra na one kasaba na so why cast na nhwenyim no
oh yeah I did
obi so ha enyo body na yeyi na enyi yakor nti wo lobby obe feyi adamam tum break through in brofo because that's brofo
okay
you are liberty to go to places
okay
na me say Nyamiche so yen cast on hwehwe nim what structure the script na no tro
that's Mr. Nyamiche wabo pa
oh yes ebe
wow pa
the time that yeah first na audition
okay
yes I mean they na ma audition but so why audition na say you are they might not cast you because they think you are fading but when they are doing audition when you get there oh boss you are there so you said do it so they'll give you a role okay is it a Diano said a Diano hotel or a Sobolo
yeah hotel yeah
a one and a audition nti most of movies are much so many movies are much no ha it got to a point at the hotel area also oh important China yamam oh yeah China yamam na jijibom abako fie na agba no tre na chede ajijabom sometimes
abom ama
na bank cry you want what is that Africa na adano
now we be
ebe
because nipa bra we enjoy kakra
ebo Santana go eat abodulization
yes
obi not tonko bi no ya adwe dey wujim
okay na mo do ho ajim
manza
now you're strong my see
no sister mo bosi
about for na the application ba
dey huni
you were there
uncle
yeah kesi na there brand ye we have abrabo na sanity o yen hwa de we obi ye obibi wo movie mu a o ye wadin say masa afede kware ma me kopa bibi foforo nye parko din hu nche dan here but at least yen hwa bibi mfimu
owo ho obey owo ho but most of the times no be ehuma or you TV repair we have other things we do
okay
because the industry na kada and pinchima you might end up taking an empty stomach home
okay
nti and making mukro baby there was a time where you casting na half no munuanom no ma one pen there e be fechi baba na be complain but me want to when you dem oye no nye especially when there's a time to give you food that's one farm na say ekibi said bana na wa cha
ope you crowd or chire no ope duane ya fun na ya fun so bra ya fa ya fun pan sha ben
akwam the way did
asese wodidi
obaka cho de oh na yen twan kaka e wi but must what back so yen won them yeah professionally we give them a very good treat
okay
into them making we are casting we mama script and then there's one thing about movies there so Nigeria I've done movies in Nigeria
oh wow
ekwa before they will even call you they've talking about money so what the script anymore no I'm on half payment so when you are home and you are reading you know
Nigeria
yes
wow
when you are home and you are reading you know you are reading to go and work to get money
because sikana bia badada when you half payment I don't think Nigeria for industry no
ebe and population is so even high
yes
na they get sponsorship
okay
ebutum there was a time na etwa movie na airport you try letter call airport Ghana airport aviation there you paid this part of terminal to do the thing because na dey npa kofi abrochiba ye nyan for abrochiba score that time over 5,000 so if you don't have it to SCC so the story naturally changes
and the nature say me tie wo story a wo kan kura no a nature say the ama Ghanaian movie no amanfo ko no bebrebe ankasa no say emu nipa nso amoamo
oh yeah
because they wo kan me sure say wo ko Nigeria me sure say obi create me dedicating bibi the mouth say be ye ne keke
obi to me bia ni fie ma oga na abeg come and house can shoot open name ne keke wi end credit na wodin di mako no oh yes and so me kada there was a time na yetukwan me nye start bia yetukwan yen artist no o man visa producer no farmer
DNT
because when you nti bronyini twa end credit don so that is your name no the man because onyimin nti yetwa movie na say a particular place na say nya no ye because ebi na yenya airport you need to change it to SCC story no naturally ascend and then these are the things that Nigeria you be one scene one kasa but then what friend then kakana wo bakan ehwe kakra no you okay because ehwe mistable na ehwe eya ehun there no you are really working out of something. Nti that is why sometimes you know it's like that. Nti na nzema bi wo ho a enyankasa we are own enemies. Hwe there Tofi akwa akaji advert da memnye advert. Na advert no enyim there dem je 5,000. Munua boko akaka kire on there oh
where the 1,500.
Oh I said no actually I said 1,500. No. I mean, who the reason why it is like that? Mister Yakaya movie, Trokosi, Wakra, about if you by a day, no woman, I think now about 100 because they needed a crowd. It was a crowd since.
Okay.
Trokosi, no woman, every day woman be $20.
Hey,
yes. Na brony, engineer, you want to sue. Urban why in a budget?
Yes.
It's brony, no, every day will be a normal $20. Masa. You could get China wash as woman 5 cities because Obi Wayemu.
Yeah, brony be be kunye. But I say, no me dream home. Say the okay. Nigeria will be create me a France say, Oga, come and shoot.
Yeah.
Or no in fear man.
At the moment, we are Salam with Banako.
On board you and the crack.
But
Ghana no Nipano said that charge you. Ebia if you crown.
Fasten on to them. First, I don't know what the fear man are. In fact, young artists, young too.
Okay.
That is why somebody wanted to build Nollywood, a Gallywood, a Pram, the winner, a Afraukwan,
yeah.
Solely for movie.
Yeah.
Sidama anti a Messi, why?
Yeah.
Yes. Now, Akaji Ubinifi, Nipakono Kojumano. In first paper, in fact, artists young too. In terms of
location.
Oh yes.
Location.
You'll be often if you a table you Papa you are what them do. No way to Nanabodo. No, I say condition.
Was that a condition?
Obakacha and Pocha one shall say 8 by 3 mumpon.
Ebi kwa na train so afei na movie no.
Yen do baby but obanama. So the continuity sports.
Tense basa story no kwa jise mukum no.
Ntebu ne story na ehwe Ghana ye was story but ye academy ni wo. Yeah. Until most of the times they be out 20 series 1 2 3 no. Until these are things that moving on say
me sa no ka na me pese mete. Unim mami official mami ka sa asem wenchiro. Ye was sompa cinema eba enche.
All right.
And I'm kwemu ba. Open new movie sompa nkwa na obenya hwe.
Okay.
Because yambo tie ni say ye pese ye bibi.
Right.
And they left it Ghanaian movie no.
Right.
Masa mami ka no krenchiro. Untimi nka nkyere me say konkom aduane edese apoto yi wo madu.
Ebe.
O ba so akere say.
Yeah, before then, etwi good lad. In the emam it's bembia. Edan mo yende mo chaze. It bembia what the titem. E kada in the ayi no konkom mindi.
Be.
Mindi.
Mindi.
Ipe natural.
Because e be prawo.
Masa. No guma imtam we guma. Imtam do fi no be. You know, but ya to ya nzama pin ya to but I hope that be mo bompe ya. Ni ye no be den. Ne say no easy
but me o sa de bia no o say a
yeah
I say utiefu na o se ukoyi so apaso na odi wura mu ana watwitwa agu
exactly
ba se obewie be fe no ne asem so I was for yam fasara kase Emma 21st clinic the sciatica expert o mother Roma na me de na menim dwumadie ebre o hai me wo me maya mienu bia be wura ha enche me no be bon komo na ma bi se o se na mama ne me more fast no more. So na serious.
What has see? Mom sorry say bomb believer man.
Na bra do ko ejam ho.
Na masa ye na mo anwa no.
Se me nua no.
Dey bi masa oba na to mam to aminyimu.
Ti say dey wo dey wa yimi ama.
Go fukeka.
I was here for me yare a baby ameko 21st clinic the sciatica expert yeah. Saturday ye wo ho. If you come number 9.
One na me shop wo. Opposite obi a wako obi a hwe me magis collect.
Miss Mabada wow.
Oh.
Why you me fie?
Ebe opposite. What is dummy? That is mine.
Yeah.
The 21st in fact my best studio ha. Obi am come for her. Mama danti atam me share krampa. Oh.
Ukran was much lovely.
Ene.
Lovely.
Why are they? In fact, one see the pay alone is when you're baby in town, I'm going
Judge, whoa.
What about Bemedi?
Judge, whoa.
Top your water, one crate.
Masafa. I don't quite remember. I did a bit in the Amadu. We are here. Pure water and Quadi Abraham before the. I was your for your first number 21st clinic. Or number 0540 311 0540 311 and Crabatano a dozen a do and watch it. Oh, my moo. Obuasi. Yene Court Junction ena edin hwe anim udru takwa sisi a ma menka no kranche udru takwa wani beje keke yene Roman stores no ena edi enhwe anim kuma se owahwa overseas Dr. Asare wo ho on the stroke suro no tanya sam ketwa me ba chokoso afre yen krabata no kofo dua takwa de branches ni de dwabo so de bi so sunwan yewo enkrankra no yewo domin kranza na headquarters yewo tachima yewo wanchi yewo goso yewo brekum chese research center no nso no hyanon so se eho no na abepie ewo East Legon enti enya asem ketwa se oto ase twetwon yade bi titiwa 0540 311 0546 6161 0546 6161 Ima me pe video bi afri minu ho aha ba bi ana oye aduane no so ho oye be ma toda ko kitchen ye aduane ma family no hu say yes also wow share hey ba me I have you oh we have you
oh hey me have you
we have you
oh your man
oh yeah nice boy
man is a trophy
bra
hey me ya fanti
yeah
fanti na eto
yeah I will have my mintie sound we kakra I mintie sound we kakra
na obo to me nsu but me kama
obo akoto mo me nsu na se obo akoto
no de bi nkoto asana pala
sa ani se jame manem pala wono
c'est bon tu comprends français
oui
un peu
c'est
toute la petite
tu la preto
ni na comme
Dad
ayi ma we super
Dad wo me show ache ye be din komo kakra nsama ye yi kakra
amfa kakaduru another garlic amfa wona it would be exactly enyo nti inde me ba be fanti
okay ana eto
ena nka menyaga nka mo won but eto ni ye se ne be ya enyo
na me be se me hwese obetumi aya
sister me menu
and Miss Nancy a child baby
masa aduane wa mkodo bra am kwado binya bi ni
da Fred maba baby am na bu nkoto dudem that's so banku no ke connect
okay
amenya pa nka mukrom afeshe kwante this week nka menye boko so invite one I da baba takrade put the below me yeah below me yeah
bra
yo some boy
Udim ma wo say ye interview no ye ntimi wi ne
ye ndum
ti ye de part 1 ebe symptom na ya toa so bre foforo bi me pesa ye hwe on say uyi movie a bus stage say ye MC e dey na ma ye unique
in the sisia no of course yehwe Ghana na yehwe Nigeria eyiwom because me your research and sana mako stage mo tolibi wo motum da bo sisia beka de padi just because MC wonye nkwa
MC yeah
yes no last week obi kada member MC man ontina amama be me MC wedding wedding na why discuss me nyim ye
okay
because no obi tran we mu na me discuss na 1 cedi dey bi me den na bedina ko na the way I present one different make I say different from you
yeah
e ka santi make fancy
yeah
most of my yema nkofo wonyu age no
yeah
that is what I have to do
the one kasa no ugina stage one kasa we ade program na nkasa
exactly nti meje on na lehwem no sama se wo sama e de no mutu makacho there reality show where TV that where nkofo ye MC
yeah
amena me da some de chase because first na where we are they will just walk and talk no program here so and program here e be a movie when you are going on stage walk to the stage by doing what they are doing
I was on Facebook my hard Okay, where the assault?
Yes.
Sha.
Shall we do it?
I was for Brasom, but I didn't want what? Sha.
What you bought? I'm a Jim more.
What's it?
What you bought them? I'm a Jim more, Sabi. Oh, no, say, Alicia, say, well, yeah, wait, dear, into me, until you nation stage in there, once I could treatment to you in the hell.
Yeah. No, Brian, I would say, and you walk as I would you to me say,
oh, me too.
I do, baby, Anna.
I do, baby, I'm the term school for Siri. I am the money, and that is where I've gotten my name from.
Over what you say. I thought that Jimmy's one pass.
Massa, na obi papa wo papa ebi wa Ghana na ye will be kana hwe Mr Bean hwe Kristaka. Yes, they are all making money out of it.
Okay.
How then na wia to me MC wia so you nyam bo chino, but you need to charge us kasa kakra ba kasa kasa kakra na ba kasa ya nka for mu ame. Why did you call me?
Yeah.
Because you see the uniqueness in me.
Yes.
That is why he asked me to do it.
Let's say young kasa kra no so obi what talent yen hye the mu.
Yehu. Miss me pe obi a anasompa awunya bota me say da na matwem from nyumba ba be edwuma. Na ma ye serious
ya botre asama aka no. Imangi wo mse mo ntwanto. O say
me say atwu mu time. Mabaya. In fact, the people here are friendly. They are unique. Everybody knows his work.
Yes.
Everybody is on point. It took him like two seconds. No,
wow.
And then one setup. Who be that?
Hey,
I've gone to places.
The
first time I must share TV. Ni no catch am no wa na me say mama hwe scan ni na muhuni na mama hwe the way a wa hye ma in fact so we 6 mpa wonya 41 dan na mo hwe asem wajan was here.
Yes.
City Otunyu gospel no susu ba
Dana Kiamete yeah.
Na mama hwe set up na the way a member no me dem car is baby because na why na me catch obi there a fan called me.
Okay.
Some aba into Podo Nyumupui. You can do the Albano or the to 93.1. I'm so
yeah.
It was clear. Minimum Bakun puts and coffee one in the Mutsu.
Wow.
No catch him there. Maba Mumbanidin.
But your bondima.
Oh, Radi and Coupon. Our audit service.
Okay.
Your friend, oh, she's away in the one room. One friend Bishop, Minoko School, Wisconsin University.
Okay.
Nana. Obua Kwan the second.
Okay.
Ghana audit service Kumasi.
Wow. Nana.
What from Bishop? Yes. Audit to no say. Adi no mu ye clear papa. On teach.
Wow.
Oh. As I want to say that no do on from that. Na sompa de. Na what do one sport ah? Miss Mudu station be am mama watch. So right now there are some places ebokwa no. Why radio nada. They watch. On sports no.
E say no person watch say you do tadia.
Mr. Dakro, what you know what me chat live, Nam da Metro.
They said the why ambassador,
Modondo. Now, the people you are working with on the sport, since you know, session, we are so bit more sports and entertainment.
Okay,
one news.
Okay,
and that's the military. I come and say, attack the member, Mudu, I think for Sumeche. Then you pa. Oh, my news, Mutu, so you know, so be sure, hey, I'm never from Pocatcher. No boys, no. I say, you have from Wako, when I'm to Wako, and I'm a senior. In fact,
wow,
I am your the program on YouTube, but I'm hoping that sometimes.
Oh, what you channel manager, where order from? I didn't know some show on TV, so
you have to.
Wow.
Yeah, the people you call, I don't know what makes people up to come here to do an interview. Because everybody be a one baby are unique.
Wow.
You wouldn't just see anybody. But then the people you bring, and then the papa not no ye minimum the bonidimum. We're not share.
I come like I say.
No, not so papa.
Yeah.
What can you answer some?
Yeah. Enti sesi ankasa person what you say. Some pop brand no person what you say. You mean that until the what can I say?
Mama top na me share na echo. Na me ya brand ambassador. Top man.
But sir, no, over so here.
T-shirt no campo unique. One t-shirt, yes. Or your quality.
That is
Onyema what we ne kwan ye de channel.
We tara one media I don't know.
Yes. One colors no is in the studio have machine so go no. Who be baby that. The baby aboko na half.
Ba pra wo so wa chini pa o.
Ah, Marco FM station P. TV station bi wo kwa one na dan mo full top wo. I want the man kan. I am your pa. Onye bi wakra, onye bi wakra.
Sa.
Onye bi wakra.
Yamra kra.
Studio wo top wo no. Won wie no. The way wa chichem no po. Ebutu me live program. Bam.
What Philip just what Philip keke.
In fact, the idea you had as a manager to help your boss to do that thing is there. TV no bokuchi.
Me da say.
Obokuchi. Since I'm on Facebook, nkofo wo hwe no. Menyi wo no. Nkofo wo hwe no.
Wow.
Anyezi. Nimpa na kasa one wodom. Until when you are everywhere, people follow you. Until when you're not na omra na.
Enti unia me masa me kan say sesum pa de onim say ya hyeda ba.
Well, they do adamfo.
Ana baby a ye vision no wo no. On say obi wo ha oba hu so ni da achi. Akwara bi kura ho wo na hu say akwara wanya cheba. Aha. Baby a ni hwe no. Trust me.
You have
ya kan bomu be adwuma.
The idea is there.
And he say kura de che say event no kura de.
Oh,
my time they say bam their ball.
More a penalty shootout for corporate bodies. On the letter ko bank. Wa brebre.
And na afwe de ya
Mani. Oh, the trophy.
Oh, one cham. Bra.
Menyaje dodo. Meba me fa menyaje. De bia meba na mu hu an menyaje because in some bekan po yan kranche. Na me bekan po I said the boys they are doing the job. Nkofo dos wa ha but kaka na ekuta na
professionals na ego ha. What kind of sports na sam sadam say. Adey.
Morning show na to ba analysis producers.
What being are gifted. Nyame aheda de a channel.
Yes.
Na say Mrantia hinu uta hwe na nwumre. Afutu sam no asem penipa. Sa.
Na meaning yenye event 2-3 become and then Sumpa will be there. That is what people want to see. Yenye event me yanko round. Na nkofunda Sumpa.
Eni keke. Bra,
cause baby I want no Facebook and nkofo no. Aba de no be but credit wa hwe. But all do sports and all do morning show. Nkofo wa hwe I am watch live. Amuntu say woman nkofo booster.
Yes. Ade ayenye bi da no.
Nti when people watch it it encourages whoever is there to be able to to participate and participate well.
I was here for and come on I minimum dama at some ya tiafa so Facebook messages in the end making guy we got pressure and all day. Na me wo amaya bi wo ha. Beautiful. Well sirisa. Go fast yakwa ba.
Yeah.
It is saying.
Nyame adom.
Me ba che fro say.
Me from me Teresa Fosu.
Hey yo, Brazil si cat.
Hey, Wesley guys when you know. Hey, Teresa Fosu. Oh, boo boo. Oh, lovely. I like your teeth.
Thank you.
Lovely.
Yeah, guys, you know who? I'm the oh, mama, who's on you been a buy? On the friend say
Mimi Ajwa boa.
Mimi
Ajwa.
Mimi, okay. Unia Nana.
My best friend, but she's just like a sister to me.
Wow. Lovely. Lovely. Na, wamania.
Okay, didn't you put me by and say, me.
But kasa microphone ma mwana ni free wonum no ba ne se de esi ye no ne se de esi asam no asam mai wo kasa kwa no mate o
ya bom no bom
ai bom
me a female artist me a pencil works.
Wow.
And me share ni aho ye ni ukura, like I appreciate whatever you are doing.
Wow.
O ye ni pa bia o bo ni pa bebre now so makes me aka say me who that say sa artwork he me who say obi abro obi da eno nti na me fa to me who say de wo ye no is so many je ho pa eno nti no ma spend the time on it say me ye bibi e dia ba show
na kama kura dinga mun te ho kura nkire me
no debi nti na ho friend surprise no
hi
what tell the what draw what tell chenya what draw oh
hi you ma fa de nto so oh Ow. Wow. Hey.
One a drawing. How many days did it take you to?
It took me about 6 hours to complete with it.
Just 6 hours.
6 hours.
Madam, you have a future. Hey. That's a trim. Been a muscle, my boom.
Hey. Wow.
I would know so. Come on.
Who parents way?
I'm all BBNE.
Wow.
What's enough?
Me ba cho my friend is saying.
Janet Enchi.
And now papa nso e.
Emmanuel Atafosu.
Nyankopon hira o mo ate. Hi.
Who for went to China picture?
Yeah.
Hey. What is school?
Roland Mars. Tia Madia.
Oh, okay. Stadium. And you are doing art as your.
Yeah, I do visual art.
Unim ose oye artist.
Yeah, female artist.
Yeah. Nti o nyoma wa bwana. Anasa film. Okay, make us say ayi. Ayi mreye.
Yeah. Beden. Yeah, me akofa be.
Yeah, akofa be.
Oh yeah.
Asa no sa Jimmy say.
Papa, we would bow them one. And I won't focus be bow.
That way the office. Mami unim. Menim de metumi aka.
I see.
But the meka cho ni say Erade nhyira wate.
Amen.
Meda wase. Say wabehya me animonyam. Na yenso adwuma ye no.
Loves work.
The person ye kan say yenso ye wo ye fam de wo say ye de bo nipa. Abrabo mu no ebia na obedru ba bi. Wo hia boafo bi a ofi say saa de no metumi aboa wa. Pacho ayama masonte.
Okay.
Na meso bia de nyame betimi afa meso aya ama wo no. Mani baji say da bi obeyi ni pakese o man mu. Na sede wadi machi aba bedru sabre na ede wa beche me saa de we no. But mani aso. Nyankopon hira wate.
Amen.
Member say mrante ne be ha wadwini. Timi ma mfa number ntudwa.
Okay.
Na mom no say obi pese oye bi ma no a obehumi a migiri say yebetimi de na brew se ne bo nche da mro su bia ndi wo so de wa won sa na ye
6 hours ampo no
for 6 aba nyame nhyira wate.
Amen.
Nyame nhyira wo.
Amen.
Meti ha onso te ho masom soronko kwan so ima we to da camera no imue ntimi nye bibi so ho me pese wo sorry ba ha na be present mame ima twa foto Facebook mo mamu bu mfume why
oh sana papa
na
baby
ima de o tie adwuma na se so ho ha o tie ase enti many are present ama nti ye ho adwuma.
All right, so on behalf of Love Arts yeah, so on behalf of Love Arts, in fact, Ketesa Sono Oba, teen, how old are you? 16. Now we're presenting Adi Odama. Tofiakwa, in fact, you've done well. You sum, God bless you. You will live long, and then picture and portrait, you am copy of the visa. Now I have a man close up. Why are the papa? Monchenidi. Exactly. It's a very nice art. Oh yeah. Come on, papa. Yeah, the was it. God bless you, and then live to be 1,000. In fact, I like the way you even speak. The brother is there. Into Yankopon. On show the New York.
Unim say anyame nkuna. Okay. I hope say anyame nkuna boye maami o.
Sir, and no follow sumpa.
Eti owo me nua ba ko a ono nso waye ne de. Enti oni ha but me gina na namu.
Waje.
Na magye no nso e de ato ho. Na nka mani baji se me nua ho. Me mpesa me bodin no. Ono ade ba ene e behunu ba
dia.
Whoa. I was here for time no so. But I mean, Hanty to Asumami.
No.
Is that we are some family?
Voila.
We are 1 media family.
Busiafo Mutie Sompa 93.1 FM. And yɛtumi yɛayɛ ade sonko yɛda hyɛ asantefo man animnyam na yɛwɔ awuraba so no a wayɛ artwork ɔde ne nsa ɛna ɔda dorɔ kamakama ɔda ma mpanyinfo bi ana presenters bi a wɔwɔ na ɔmahene yaw edibuakye wadorɔ ne papa na glasses shema na okay I end the morning wadron papa na suit cramp no burden so you took 6 hours of this one too hey nansana already when you A in advance no when you A for this particular art when you A na madam we am bobo kios am na draw oh aya de yamin show pa
I was here for ade na agye mensam
abaji wo agye mensam
oyema wo bibi a wo kan twa to ana na magya wo kwan wo bibi a wo kan twa to ana
ya metimi aka nyina ne se awofo a ye omohwe me se oba wa adoma chedie bi a mesro kosoa ne hye ne nkran kosoa ne boa no no nko nanim e wa adoma chedie a nyame de adom no e ma ne nkofa bibi fofra dachi bi ebia enye den emwa no we ya masha asiese me wani da so bi se nyame de mbedru ba bi pa enti se mesro ma wofo amohwe me se oba ye bibia mesro
encourage
him or her na onkoso anye na de nkunim de bebra mu nyina
amen
se uhia media push bi a mama sonte why tara one o homa why
okay
god bless you
amen
unia
eyo
cause on the end
why you mean say
oh advice be the my youth
why you mean say in fact sisi ano my sister here Miss Ghana my friend Miss Ghana why she me cry for you never even knowing
me no
you wouldn't that is why it's called surprise in them okay no you waduma chedi be yembo yemba ne yenko sisi ano the talent you have is what you're going to eat with it dachi
yes
yeah mo from me ka da be doctor lawyers
yes.
Yeah the ano keke but sisi ano yeah mo from be they've been able to succeed one do baby ampo but they've been able to use their talent to get to where they are
wow
sisi anya yerinyin entinya na advice at momo nine there one show won ye amiminya say nye say onim the bad from the good nanka say na man nanka ko fo be fra nanka wa frɛ but anyway edu school so na say from my brother and the advice to the youth is to use what God talent has given us to be able to push ourselves because I mean they know my the other degree na me but the talent I have is what is taking me push yes I don't know why man ko fe hu
wow
you know somebody say fi anka mu hu Tara one why ni nyina
me that say
lovely
my bro
no we obetu aka o ko na cha dia cha
obetu aka si wa we no na no nsia bo mani agi se na me bra bon komo ochina ye was special bi so de mawo na otwi na minim wanti abenu ho me da wase se utie ye na wo hwe ye and Facebook for no age me nsam mo akire se mo odo enti minim se we ye be no TV so enche sa show in ankasa no pacho men ka se na minim ba TV show da bi pacho nyama no nkosi ba bi foforo time no kran so ye me da me ofasi so ase nyankopon hira no na wo fo nyame hira mo ye fom de bi e be ye na pushi no ye be ye ho adwuma me da production team ni nyina se minister IBJ ono na ye production hye no nso ura MC ahọ a hima ene na busuafo ninom Godfred nom ene akidom agye ho aboso Kofi Foster me chiao anwumre yankopon chiao o ena o ta concept we achi me ba cho makrao nyame yadoma ye be sensia bra wo bibia o kan na say okay
member kind there me don't wase in fact the platform you've given me my interview but this is not an interview this is an interaction anytime me mabo kumasi bia maba
na say sa hana wo say we are part of Terra One Media
maybe na mention na any problem
no
dem put the mother phone
no abusafo yakra ya be san so ahia